Three things I found out. Okay, I did not talk to Fozia, so I don't know. Fahmida, I found out she was kind of made up something. Oh, is this for me? Is that for me? I feel like you did that too. Or is this for me? When it is my workshop? Why did you do this? What is the definition of that? Because those were actually your workshop. More than them, actually your guys' workshop was. Those are your core workshop was. The 13, 14, that's actually your core workshop, 20. Because nowadays, we'll be just doing the hands-on. I will tell you, okay, write the user story. I will, like we showed last night, right? One, based on this, start writing the user story. And you'll be making mistake, we'll be helping. Making mistake, we'll be helping. But if the core is not there, then you'll be like, hey, you don't know why you're doing it. Make sense? The more you build your core foundation, the best outcome you can expect. The less your core is weak, the things will be like you will not feel like why you are doing something. So you guys need to make the commitment today. Do not do this. Oh, if this for me, then you guys don't know anything. So let us handle how to this work. I can teach you only the test, pass the test in the agile, the product owner, that will not do anything. We're actually teaching you that how you guys can do things in the project. Make sense? And if you have any doubt, her uncle is a project manager, Faria's uncle. Okay, he is actually project manager. If you call him and show him, then you can identify what we are teaching here. Then he will tell you. So 3 of you do the every day your status update here. Every single day status update on the chat. And then every single day, add your day-to-day activities. That's number 1. Write it down. Every single day, your day-to-day activities here. What is your day-to-day activities? Yeah. And then share with each other. Do you know how to do this? I showed you multiple times, but let me show you again. So that part is missing. So Fozia, how much you're behind?
I'm trying to write in the user story, watching the video. Yes.
Okay. Provide date, update. What do you did? I have done the following. Following, right? I have done the following. Writing user story. Answer technical questions. Join, show and tell. Preparing presentation. Short and sweet, simple. Updated the springboard. Updated springboard. But I'm more like the concern for Hamid. You need to step up. What are you doing? Those are not good. I don't know, for whatever reason, you just took things as granted. And that is causing backfire. Okay. And this is when a concern is, you have to fix the concern right away. Did I do it properly? Yes. Okay, so you see this? Simple.
How do we show it?
Yeah. Go next and type each other email ID.
Oh.
That's it.
Then post it.
Yeah. So she can see, they both can see.
We're only 3 people here?
No. You can share with anybody. We do not allow the product owner everyone. It's very strict. The people I see have a good communication of then we exactly allow. Or at least, okay, I communicate good. You just push me so I can do better. Okay. So you can actually, Faria, it's an example. Here, that's it. She will see this on her page. So if you go see, you will see that I shared with you. So that's number 1. That's you guys need to do. And the same thing you can copy and paste on the chat. Same thing.
Okay.
Same thing. And the springboard, you guys are not doing anything. So let's go there. Okay. Here. And then here. And let's go sprint. That's your work. Let's go see Fahmid. So you are not doing anything actively here. Everything is new.
Yeah, I just created it yesterday.
Yesterday. So you did not do it. Faria. What is it? Fahmid.
There and active.
Oh, active. How can I how come I cannot see it?
Oh, wait, go up. There it is. Here.
Here.
Up?
Yeah, that,
Okay.
no, up.
Right there.
That one. No.
Fahmid, okay. Got it. Yeah. And Fozia, right? What is the name?
Fowzia.
F.
Fowjia.
Why? Nothing is here.
Yeah, I did.
You
Why? So this is the easy work, right? But that's actually if you do not do this, you can never tell your team member to do this. Rather, you will come and do them. You come and talk to them. Hey, can you please update your task board? It seems like the small thing. This is actually the big thing. So Fozia, why didn't you do anything? Like, why didn't you update? You don't understand, or you don't know how to do this? Which one? Fozia,
I think I have it today.
you did, but anyway, do you want to be actually true product owner? It's easy. Product owner is an easy role.
Mhm.
Comparing other things, no technical knowledge involved, but all the communication, writing skills, and the follow-up, lead the team. So is it easy? Again, if you do it and you see the struggle, that's one thing. But you are not doing anything, that's not called a struggle. Do you guys know that struggle versus non-struggle?
know, trying and fail.
Exactly. But you are not doing anything. How can I know? And this part is not even anything, right? Create a task, and this is what I'm focusing on today, right? So Fozia, is this difficult, or it is? What do you think overall? Hello, I'm asking you.
Overall means what?
No, product owner, you are not doing anything and not update anything. What is the reason? Like,
Oh.
is it, if you don't do anything, just say I do not do anything. Why you are quiet? Like, what is the reason? I'm just asking. Like you don't know something, or you know anything? What is the, like, I'm just trying to understand.
Oh, I'm trying to understand.
Okay. But trying to understand what? What is the definition of that?
The updating the task board.
You lost it? Oh.
No, Subhas, what did he say? What
I'm
did he
trying.
say? No,
trying-
that's, do you know what trying means? Trying means this system is not working. What trying means? This system is not working. Trying. I'm trying, it is not clicking. That's if the system is active or running, right?
Yes.
Your internet is working, right?
Yes.
Your phone is working, right?
Yes.
Simply you're not doing it. Acknowledge the fact.
I'm
Simply
focusing.
you're not.
Yeah. Working on.
Simply do it.
I'm on the technical test and task.
Yeah, that's also nice. You just simply come here in the technical test, just add a task. Again, you make mistake, then we can help. Add a task. I am answering technical test on August 27. The focus is from 20 to 30. You just say this, and this is the amount of hours you're spending. Look, this is it. You see? The simply saying it so people know what you're working on.
Okay.
Right? Okay, and as for what is his name? Faria. What about you? Are you good so far? Like, are you